Now for the chapter 12, identities, we have already learnt about the special products in the algebra. In the special product, what do we mean by identities? Identities means that there is a equation that a plus b is equal to b plus a, means that we can write the same thing in the two different ways, but they will always remain to be same for all values of x. They will remain to be the same for all the values of the variable. So we have to, that is called the identities. For a, if you write a1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, they will remain to be same always, whether you go this way or that way. So that is called the identities. And so we can have the another way of writing the same thing and the equality without any change in the equality. Now we have, for this chapter, we will do the identity a plus b whole square. That is a binomial square. What do you mean by a binomial? If you remember that any expression is having with two terms. And what is the expansion? It is a plus b whole square. If you write it in this way or this way, that both will have the same answer for the different values of a and b, and we will learn its application. So actually this formula is derived from the regular multiplication of a plus square, means a plus b into a plus b. That means we are multiplying a number by itself. We are writing its square. Is it? So writing its value for the square, that is what we will do for the square. Now this is called as binomial square. Binomial square will not be the simply a square plus b square. So that we will be wrong in doing this. It doesn't means to be the same. For example, if you learn about 1 plus 2 square, is it? If it is 1 square plus 2 square, it will be 1 plus 4, 5. But actual answer is 3 square, that is 9. So you are missing out something, that according to you, if we go with this method, 1 square plus 2 square is simply 5. It means that it is not the same. So this is a wrong method. So what is actually does it contains? It contains 3 terms. The expansion of the binomial, first term square, second term square, plus 2 into first term into second term. Let us check it for 1 plus 2 whole square. If we have 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 into first term into second term, then does the answer comes out to be same? Yes, 1 plus 4 plus 5, 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9. Now this is same as 3 square as 9. So this is that what we are missing if we are writing only the first term square and second term square. So we have to learn that binomial square is contains the 3 terms, that is first term square, second term square, and 2 into first term into second term. Now in case this binomial is having the minus in between, square terms will remain to be positive. Only the middle term, we call this to be the middle term, 2 into first term into second term, will change its sign, will turn out to be minus. Is it? And another identity we will be using in this is the trinomial square. Trinomial square is, trinomial means 3 terms, first term, second term and third term. That with these are 2 different or 3 unlike terms added together is called as a trinomial. This sign can be plus or minus. So that sign refers to the term before it is. Then what will be the square? First term square, second term square, third term square. But that won't finish it. It is plus 2 into first term into second term, plus 2 into second term into third term, 2 into third term into first term again. Cyclically, that you can remember it to be, that is a plus b plus c whole square. We can learn it as the a plus b plus c whole square. That is, this refers to the first term, second term and third term. So it is first term square plus second term square plus third term square, 2 into first term into second term. Like cyclically you can learn it, remember it. A, B and C cyclically means that is A, B and C. A, B, B, C, C, A. It is square. So in the square expansion we will use 2 to learn it. A square, B square, C square, that all the terms square definitely. And then plus 2 into first term into second term into third term, and third term into first term. So this, and we will learn it in the exercise and with examples.